Hi everyone, Jeremy here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about GoHighLevel funnels and websites. We'll discuss the differences between funnels and websites and when to use each for optimal results and how to create your first funnel and multi-page website. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effectively leverage both funnels and websites to enhance your online business. But before we get started, I have a special offer just for you. Now, normally, if you go through the GoHighLevel website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So, in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They are worth over $900, but you are going to get them for free just as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. We will start with the difference between funnels and websites. Funnels and websites are both essential tools for online businesses, but they serve different purposes. A website is typically a collection of pages designed to provide information about your business, products, or services. Websites are great for building credibility, providing comprehensive information, and offering multiple navigation options to visitors. They serve as a digital storefront that potential customers can explore to learn more about your brand. Funnels, on the other hand, are more targeted. A funnel is a step-by-step process designed to lead potential customers towards a specific goal, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Unlike a traditional website, funnels eliminate distractions by providing a focused experience with minimal navigation, guiding visitors down a predetermined path to maximize conversions. Funnels are perfect for specific campaigns where you want to drive users towards a single call to action. Now that we understand what funnels and websites are, it's important to know when to use each for optimal results. Now, websites are ideal for businesses that need to provide a lot of information to potential customers. For example, if your business offers multiple services, a website allows you to explain each one in detail, showcase testimonials, and provide contract information. Websites are also best for businesses that rely on organic search traffic, as they provide a broad range of content that can attract visitors through search engines. Funnels, however, should be used when you want to generate leads or drive conversions through a specific marketing campaign. Funnels are great for product launches, limited time offers, or any campaign where you want to guide visitors to take a specific action. So by eliminating distractions, funnels create a focused experience that increases the likelihood of conversions. Now that you have a better understanding of when to use funnels, let's dive into creating your first one. To create your first funnel, make sure that you are on your sub-account. Click the Sites tab from the left menu, and once you're on the Sites page, you'll see several different sections within this page, but we will focus only on the Funnels section. So within the Funnels section, click on the Add New Funnel button at the top of the page. A pop-up will appear with two options, from blank and from template. We will go with the template option, so choose it and then click on the Continue button. Now, you are in the Funnels template library. Here, you can choose a template for your funnel. Browse through the available templates, and once you find one that you like, click on it to preview it. If you like the template, click on the Continue button on the Preview template page to customize it for your first funnel. Now, once you click it, you will be taken to the Funnel Builder. Once you are in the Funnel Builder, it's time to configure the funnel steps and settings. Now, each funnel is made of several steps, and you can customize these steps to suit your campaign's needs. You'll see the option to add, remove, or edit the steps within the funnel. You can also rename steps, change the URLs, and configure other settings to optimize your funnel. Now take your time to explore the different customization options available in the funnel builder. You can add various elements to your funnel pages such as headlines, images, buttons, and forms. Now, these elements are essential for engaging your audience and driving conversions. The template that you have chosen is completely customizable, and you can modify nearly every aspect to suit your needs. You can adjust the layout, colors, text, and other elements to ensure that your message is effectively delivered and optimized for achieving your desired results. And just like funnels, websites are an essential tool for your online presence, and GoHighLevel makes it incredibly easy to create a professional website that suits your needs. With GoHighLevel, you can create not only multi-page websites, but also e-commerce stores, blogs, WordPress sites, forms, and even surveys. However, in this lesson, we will focus solely on website creation. Now, to get started, click on the Sites tab in the left menu, just like you did for funnels. Now, this time, choose the Websites section. Here, you will see your existing websites, but if you haven't created one yet, don't worry. I will walk you through the entire process. So to create a new website, click on the Add New Website button at the top right side of the page. And just like with the funnel creation process, you'll have two options, either from blank or from template. From this demo, let's choose the template option and hit the Continue button. Now you're in the website template library. Now you can choose the template that you like for your site. If you have a specific template in mind, you can use the search bar to find it quickly. For now, we'll choose the Real Estate Platform Plans template. Please keep in mind that this is only a demo. I just want to walk you through the entire process so that you know exactly how to create a multi-page website without any issues. Now that you've selected your template, it's time to customize it to match your brand and your vision. So let's start with the header, as it's the first thing that visitors will see when they arrive on your website. The header is the top navigation bar on your website, and it's important because it gives visitors their first impression and helps them navigate your site easily. So first, focus on the logo. You can either upload your custom logo or edit the text logo to represent your brand. Click on the logo section and a sidebar will appear on the right in the editor. Scroll down to the brand logo option, and from there, choose an image to upload from your computer. It's a good idea to use a high-resolution logo to ensure that it looks sharp and professional. Next, customize the navigation menu items such as Home, About Us, Pricing, Services, and Login. To do this, click on the navigation bar and you'll find options in the right sidebar that let you modify these links. Scroll down to the menu items section where each navigation page is listed along with a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon next to each item and a pop-up will appear. For example, clicking the pencil icon next to the home will allow you to change the title and add a link to a specific page. Now be sure to click the Submit button to save all of your changes. You can use the same method to modify the rest of the navigation menu. Next, let's focus on the Hero section, also known as the main banner area of your website. Now this section is crucial for grabbing the attention of your visitors, as it's usually the first thing that they see. Now when you click on the Hero section, a right sidebar will appear, giving you options to customize it. You can change the background image, text, and buttons to fit your brand's identity. To update the background image, simply click on the current image and under Image Options in the right sidebar, click on the image icon. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to click the Upload button and choose an image from your computer. Now make sure the image is high quality and aligns with your brand's tone. You can also customize the text in the Hero section by clicking on it, and you can change the font size, style, color, or alignment to fit your brand's look and feel. Make sure that your text is engaging and provides a clear call to action for your visitors. Additionally, you can customize the buttons in the Hero section. Now, these buttons are typically labeled with calls to action like Try It Free or See Demo. You can change the text, color, links, and more to fit your needs. This is your opportunity to guide visitors towards taking the next step. Moreover, if you hover over any section of the template, whether it's the headline, background image, text, or buttons, you'll see an orange-colored options appear. Now, these give you the ability to further modify your template. For instance, if you hover over a headline, you'll see options like move up, move down, clone, delete, or even add new elements. Now, this flexibility allows you to make your template truly your own. Now that you know how to customize the different sections of the template, let's explore some important options located at the top left side of the website builder. First up is the Add Element option, represented by a plus sign. Now, this feature allows you to add various elements to your page, such as text boxes, forms, blogs, images, buttons, and videos. Simply drag and drop these elements into the different sections of your website to create a personalized layout that works best for you. In addition to the individual elements, you can also add sections, rows, global sections, and section templates. Now, this is a great way to ensure consistency across your website while building pages that are visually appealing and functional. Next, let's talk about the Layers option. So, this feature provides a clear view of the structure of your page. It displays all of the pages, rows, and any pop-ups that you may have. The Pages option allows you to view and manage all of the pages within your website. You can add, delete, or edit pages from here, making it easy to organize the flow of your site. The Tracking Code option is useful if you need to add custom tracking scripts to your site, such as Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. This helps you track visitor behavior and gather valuable insights. If you want to further customize your website, you can use the Custom CSS option. Now, this allows you to add your own CSS code for more advanced styling, giving you complete control over the look and feel of your website. The Typography option, usually represented by a T icon, lets you set the font styles for your entire website. Now, you can choose from various fonts and customize sizes, weights, and colors to ensure consistency throughout your site. The Background option lets you change the overall background of your website, and you can choose a solid color, an image, or even a video to create the right ambience for your site. The Pop-up Settings option allows you to create and customize pop-ups for your website. Pop-ups are useful for lead generation, promoting offers, or directing visitors to specific pages. The SEO Metadata option allows you to optimize your websites for search engines by adding meta titles, descriptions, and keywords. Now, this is crucial for helping your site rank higher in search results and driving organic traffic. The Preview Custom Codes option allows you to see how any custom code that you've added will appear on your website. Finally, the Cookie Consent option lets you add a cookie consent banner to your website, which is necessary for compliance with privacy laws in many regions. After making all of your customizations, it's a good idea to preview your website before making it live. Click the Preview button to see how your website will look. Now, this allows you to catch any errors or make any final adjustments before publishing. Now, once you're happy with the way that everything looks, click on the Publish to make your website available to your audience. When you click Publish, you'll need to add a domain for your website. If you already have a domain, simply enter it and click Save to save the domain and publish your site. If you don't have a domain yet, then click on the pencil icon next to the Add Edit Domains option. Now, this will open a new tab where you can set up your domain. And you can either register a new domain or configure an existing one to point to your website. So that's it for today's video on GoHighLevel funnels and websites. We discussed the differences between funnels and websites. when to use each one, and walked you through the steps to create your first funnel and a multi-page website. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. And don't forget to check out my 30-day free trial link in the description to get started with GoHighLevel and claim all the bonuses. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.